Looking for a scanner that makes your paper-intensive business life easier? Here are the top 5 reasons why the Kodak i3000 series scanners are right for you. Taking up less space than other scanner plus flatbed products, the new i3250 and i3450 scanners are designed to handle your scanning challenges with ease, scanning batches and exception documents with the same compact unit. Throughput speeds up to 90 pages per minute are very impressive in this scanner class. But the i3000 series goes a step further. It delivers all the speed you need, whether you're scanning at 200 dpi or 300 dpi, in color or black and white. With their robust auto-feeding and built-in book-edge flatbed scanning capabilities, the space-saving i3250 and i3450 scanners achieve a new level of versatility and value. The integrated flatbed lets you easily scan file folders, book pages, magazines, passports, torn documents, and more. And with the unique book edge scanning feature, you can scan the full width of book pages with full clarity. The feeder design allows you to easily scan batches of mixed-size documents and stack them neatly in order in the output tray. Or you can choose the straight-through paper path option to have longer or thicker documents exit at the rear of the scanner. There's also a convenient accessory for printing alphanumeric identifiers on documents. Smart Touch functionality lets you customize scanning setups, assign a name or description. Then just press a button to select the correct setup for your scanning job. And Perfect Page delivers a suite of built-in imaging tools that provide consistent picture-perfect image quality. Documents that are stapled, folded, or delicate are at risk of being damaged when moving through any auto-feed paper transport. But with intelligent document protection, the paper transport automatically stops at the first indication of document damage, so you preserve the document and the information it contains. Our document imaging solutions include not only award-winning scanners, but industry-leading service and support. We have the people, the know-how, and the coverage to keep your operation worry-free. The Kodak i3000 series scanners also include easy integration with scanning and document management software, dual LED illumination for quick scan starts, great image clarity and color stability, and easy operator replacement of the feed module and transport rollers. Whether you're scanning batches or individual exception documents, i3000 series scanners have the ease of use, versatility, and flexibility you need. Compact scanners with huge performance, optimized for data extraction, productive scanning made easy. Visit kodakalaris.com/go/i3000 series and discover even more reasons why the Kodak i3000 series scanners are your #1 choice.